And this is the two fashion leather material I'll be using to make the crossbody bag. One is pattern and one is plain, so I'll be combining the two together to make the crossbody bag. And this is the D-ring holder I'll be using for the design of the front, and the measurement is 1.3 inches wide by 2.5 inches length. So for the bottom I'm using 5 inches length, and for the top I'm using 2.7 inches length. And for the wideness I'm using 9 inches for the both. Now I will take the bottom, I will place it under the machine, and take the top, I will place it on it right side facing each other and start stitching it together. And before getting a little bit to the end, so I will take the D-ring holder, I will fold it together and insert it inside the D-ring and fold it together. Then I will place it between the top and the bottom and stitch it together. So after stitching it together, I will turn it over and top stitch it. And now I'm done designing the front of the bag. And also don't forget to curve the edges of the bag.